Welcome to St. Francis Government High Secondary School, sir.
Straight on the left! Forward! March!
Ceremony 2026-27.
A single flame can light hundreds of lamps without losing its brightness.
May I request Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Naveen Goyal, T.I. Rayasen, respected Sister Archana, the Manager, Sister Helen, the Principal, Sister Mary, the Vice Principal, Sister Silene, and Miss Rupa and Miss Sunidhi, the Coordinator, kindly come forward for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp symbolizing knowledge, hope, and wisdom.
Formally welcome our distinguished guests and everyone gathered here. I now invite respected Sister Mary, Vice Principal, to to deliver the welcome address. May I request you, Sister, to kindly come to the podium.
Respected Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Narendra Goyalji, the Town Inspector of Raisen, Sister Archana, the Manager, Sister Helen, the Principal of the school, dear sisters, respected teachers, and my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. It gives me immense joy and privilege to welcome you all to our investiture ceremony of junior and sub-junior school leaders. Today is a memorable occasion as we entrust our newly elected students leaders with the responsibility of serving our school community. As it is said, whoever wants to become great among others must be the servant. This reminds us that true leadership is rooted in love, service, and sacrifice. We extend our heartfelt welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Narendra Goyalji, the Town Inspector of Raisen, who has graciously accepted our invitation to be with us on this special occasion of our investiture ceremony of junior and sub-junior leaders. Dear sir, your presence adds immense dignity and inspiration to this event. Your dedication to maintaining law, order, and the safety of our community is truly commendable. We are deeply grateful that you have taken the time to encourage our young leaders as they prepare to take on their responsibility with sincerity, discipline, and commitment. We are confident that your inspiring presence and valuable words will motivate our newly elected student leaders to serve with honesty, courage, and strong sense of duty. On behalf of the entire institution, I extend our heartfelt gratitude and a warm welcome to you. We feel truly blessed and honored by your presence. Now I invite Shreya Rai of class 7A to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Narendra Goyalji, with their sincere appreciation for your guidance, discipline, dedication, patience, and encouragement in mentoring our future leaders. Your hard work and commitment make a lasting difference in the lives of your students. We sincerely appreciate all you do. To the newly appointed leaders, today you receive not only the badges of honor as they begin this ceremony. Let us seek God's blessing upon our student leaders, that He may grant them wisdom, strength, and the grace to carry out their responsibilities faithfully. May this occasion inspire every student to strive for goodness and contribute positively to our school and society. Once again, I warmly welcome one and all, and may this investiture ceremony inspire us all to become leaders who serve with faith, love, and commitment. Thank you. May God bless you all.
Sister, your words have made everyone feel warmly welcomed and inspired. Dance is the joy of soul expressed through graceful movements. A warm welcome becomes even more memorable when expressed through the universal language of dance. To honor our guests, I invite our talented students to present a welcome dance. Let us welcome them with a big round of applause.
एक अच्छा नेता वही होता है जो पहले खुद से ही काम करता है और फिर दूसरों को भी प्रेरित करता है। With this wonderful thought, good morning everyone. Today I am going to speak about leadership. Leadership is ability to guide and inspire others. A true leader is honest, responsible, kind and confident. A leader sets good examples, works with others and helps solve problems. Leadership is not only for famous people. Students can also be leaders by helping their classmates, respecting their teachers and making right choices. A leader motivates others and never gives up even in difficult situations. By developing leadership qualities, we can make our school and society a better place. Now, I would like to end my speech with a motivational thought that is, याद रखिए एक सच्चा नेता वही होता है जो सबको साथ लेकर आगे बढ़ता है। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ वंडरफुल डे।
Thank you, dear Shambhavi, for your inspiring words. Your speech reminds us that leadership is not about power, but about responsibility and service. With every badge comes a promise to lead with honesty and responsibility. The moment we all have been eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. Today, these young achievers will wear badges that symbolize not only honor, but also commitment towards the school. Now, I would like to call South and Tanishka for inviting our cabinet leaders.
Leadership is not about being in charge. It is about taking responsibility, serving others and inspiring everyone through your actions. Today, we honor a group of young leaders who have earned the trust of their teachers and peers through their dedication, discipline and commitment.
May I request the following newly elected office bearer to kindly come forward to the stage for the badge distribution ceremony. As they step forward to receive the badge of responsibility, let us welcome them with a big round of applause and wish them success in leading a school with integrity, confidence and compassion.
Orange House Junior Captain Monisha Belani. She is multi-talented and recognized for her confidence, responsibility and leadership skills. Orange House Junior Vice Captain Vaishnavi Patel. She is an inspiring leader with a remarkable personality and a strong commitment to every responsibility entrusted to her.
Next we invite Yellow House Junior Captain Halima Khan. Halima is a sincere and hardworking leader who leads with integrity, confidence and a spirit of teamwork. Yellow House Junior Vice Captain Kinjal Gaur. She is known for her discipline, determination and positive attitude, make them one ideal role model.
Greenhouse Junior Captain Ashna Mirza. She balances academics, sports and other activities with dedication. Greenhouse Junior Vice Captain Shlok Maheshwari. He is a multi-talented leader with an energetic personality, a supportive nature and a spirit of teamwork, working together for success.
Our next office bearer is Pink House Junior Captain Shajar Sheikh. He is admired for leadership, confidence and caring attitude toward fellow students. Pink House Junior Vice Captain Sanvi Chaurasia. She is appreciated for her hard work, dedication and willingness to serve. We now invite our sub-junior leaders from class 3rd to 5th to receive their badges of honor. Though small in age, they carry big dreams, bright smile and the promise of becoming responsible leaders.
has demonstrated confidence, enthusiasm, and the ability to inspire others. Orange House Sub-Junior Vice Captain Ashar Sheikh. Ashar is a sincere and hardworking leader who leads with integrity, confidence, and a spirit of teamwork.
Yellow House Sub-Junior Captain Kavya Jadhav. She is a cheerful and caring leader whose leadership qualities make her a true assist to the students. Yellow House Sub-Junior Vice Captain Mohammad Hamza. He is a dependable and enthusiastic leader who values teamwork, responsibility, and service above self.
Greenhouse Sub-Junior Captain Ranu Kalesh. She is appreciated for cooperative spirit, commitment, and reliability. Greenhouse Sub-Junior Vice Captain Shrishti Shakya. She has demonstrated confidence, enthusiasm, and the ability to inspire others.
Pink House Sub-Junior Captain Priyanshi Shri. She is recognized for her dedication, teamwork, and sincerity. Pink House Sub-Junior Vice Captain Mirza Shahryar is dynamic, dedicated leader whose determination, discipline, and positive attitude make him an ideal role model.
I request our chief guest, Mr. Narendra Goyal sir, to kindly come up on the stage to pin the badges on our newly elected school cabinet members for the academic session 2026-27. I request our sister Helen to kindly accompany sir on the stage.
I of St. Francis Convent Higher Secondary School swear before the principal, members of the staff and my schoolmates that I will fulfill the duty and my responsibility of my office with full dedication, sincerity and honesty. I shall try to be worthy of my post. I will uphold the ideals of my school in order to achieve the well-being and prosperity of all my fellow students. Principal, Sister Helen, respected Vice Principal, Sister Mary, and dear all students. सबसे पहले आप सिस्टर ने मुझे यहाँ आमंत्रित किया इस कार्यक्रम में, इसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद व्यक्त करता हूँ। मैं आप सभी स्टूडेंट से यही कहना चाहूँगा कि जो व्यक्ति का जो जीवन रहता है, लाइफ रहती है, उसका सबसे गोल्डन पीरियड होता है उसका स्टूडेंट लाइफ। छात्र जीवन सबसे बेस्ट उसकी अवस्था माना गया है। तो आप अपनी पढ़ाई में खूब मन लगा के पढ़ें, अपने टीचर्स का रिस्पेक्ट करें, जो भी आपको टास्क दिया जाता है उसको समय पर पूरा करें, अपने अंदर ऑनेस्टी, मेहनत करने का गुण, ये गुण अपने अंदर पैदा करें। जैसा आप अभी से अपने आप को ढालोगे वैसे ही आप आगे बड़े होगे, आप उसी प्रकार का आपका व्यक्तित्व का निर्माण होगा। कल हम लोग आए थे, नशे से दूरी है जरूरी का कार्यक्रम किया था स्कूल में आके। कल भी आपसे संवाद हुआ था हमारा। तो नशा नहीं करना है, ये तो आपको कल ही बताया जा चुका है। अगर आप नशे की लत में पड़ गए तो फिर आपका भविष्य अंधकारमय हो जाएगा, आप भविष्य में कुछ नहीं बन पाओगे। तो नशे से तो दूर रहना ही है। प्लस स्टूडेंट्स के लिए मैं एक बात बोलना चाहूँगा। एक संस्कृत में दोहा है, काग चेष्टा बको ध्यानम स्वान निद्रा स्वल्पाहारी चा। ये चार गुण विद्यार्थी में होना चाहिए। काग चेष्टा मतलब उसकी दृष्टि कौवा जैसी होना चाहिए। कौवा बर्ड है पक्षी, उसकी जैसी दृष्टि होना चाहिए, उसकी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन होना चाहिए। बको ध्यानम, बगुला जो रहता है उसके जैसा उसका ध्यान होना चाहिए। आप जो भी पढ़ाई करते हैं उसको बिल्कुल कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके उसको उससे आप टारगेट करिए। ये नहीं कि सिस्टर आपको पढ़ा रही हैं और आपका ध्यान कहीं और है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। स्वान निद्रा, स्वान निद्रा मतलब कुत्ते जैसी नींद होना चाहिए उसकी। कुत्ता कैसा होता है, हार उठ जाता है ना किसी भी शोर से। तो और स्वल्पाहारी मतलब कम खाने वाला होना चाहिए। अगर आप ज़्यादा खा लोगे तो आपको नींद आएगी, तो पढ़ाई में मन नहीं लगेगा। तो ये हमारे जो ऋषि मुनि हैं उन्हें 4 नियम बताए थे बेसिक, तो आपको ये सब फॉलो करना चाहिए। और जैसे कि आज आपने बच्चों ने लीडरशिप पे बहुत कुछ बोला, आप छोटे से बच्चों ने बहुत कुछ बोला उस लीडरशिप के ऊपर। मैं भी लीडरशिप के बारे में यही कहना चाहूँगा कि लीडरशिप केवल ऑर्डर देना नहीं होता है कि हमने ऑर्डर दे दिया जाओ आप ये काम कर लीजिए। उसको आपकी जो टीम है जो आपके अंडर में काम करती है उसको सही रास्ता दिखाना। लीडर का यही उद्देश्य होता है कि उसको सही रास्ता दिखाएं, उसको गाइडेंस करें, उस टीम को मोटिवेट करें, वो एक सफल लीडर होता है। और लीडरशिप के अंदर आपका कुछ गुण भी होना चाहिए। अगर लीडर किसी चीज़ का श्रेय लेता है तो अगर कोई चीज़ बुरी हो जाती है तो उसकी जवाबदारी भी उसका काम बनता है। उसकी पूरी जवाबदारी ये नहीं कि आपने टीम के ऊपर डाल दी, उसकी जवाबदारी भी आपको ही लेना पड़ेगी क्योंकि आप लीडर हो। अगर कोई अच्छा काम होता है तो उसकी प्रशंसा आपको मिलती है, तो कोई गलत काम होने पर उसकी जवाबदारी भी आपको ही लेना चाहिए। ऑनेस्ट होना चाहिए, आपके अंदर मोरल वैल्यूज़ होना चाहिए, तो आप एक अच्छे लीडर बन सकते हैं। और आप जो जिस भी फील्ड में जाएं, लीडरशिप एक ऐसा गुण है, आप जिस भी फील्ड में जाएंगे तो आपके अंदर लीडरशिप का भाव होना, गुण होना जरूरी है। चाहे आप डॉक्टर बने, इंजीनियर बने, साइंटिस्ट बने या IAS IPS अधिकारी बने, आपके अंदर लीडरशिप का भाव होना चाहिए। सबको साथ लेकर चलने की भावना, वो लीडरशिप होती है। अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि सभी बच्चे मन लगाकर, खूब मन लगाकर पढ़ाई करें, एक अच्छे नागरिक बने और नशे से दूर रहें विशेषकर। थैंक यू।
May I request TI sir to continue on.
Energetic and inspiring performance by our talenters. I now invite our little stars to present a motivational and inspiring performance. Let us encourage them with a huge round of applause.
Hi Arvi, have you given your name for cabinet elections? No, I don't think so I will get selected. There are so many better and experienced students. I said no chance. What if you get selected? I don't know. Then you need to hear this. What happened, Arvi? Why are you so worried?
My friend, I am scared. What if I am not the perfect candidate and lose today's election? That would be so humiliating.
Oh my friend, appreciate yourself for participating. At least you made the best use
Because
out of control, होठों को करके गोल, होठों को करके गोल, सीटे पर जाके बोल, life out of control, होठों को करके गोल, होठों को करके गोल, सीटे पर जाके बोल.
You were right, my friend. If you have the courage to begin, then you have the possibility to succeed. Thank you very much for your support.
may I invite Monisha Belani and Shlok Maheshwari to deliver the vote of thanks. The memory of the heart. With this wonderful thought, a very enthusiastic good morning to respected Sister Helen, the Principal, Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Narendra Goyal TI, Sisters, teachers and my dear friends. I, Monisha Belani, Junior Captain of Orange House.
And I, Shlok Maheshwari, Junior Vice Captain of Green House,
Standing before you to express word of thanks on this auspicious occasion of investiture ceremony.
on behalf of our school, we express our heartfelt gratitude to respected Chief Guest for sparing your valuable time to grace this occasion. Your inspiring words and encouraging presence have motivated our newly elected student leaders to work with sincerity, responsibility and dedication.
I extend my sincere thanks to Sister Helen, the Principal, for her constant guidance, encouragement and unwavering support in nurturing leadership qualities among our students.
We would also like to